Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding and backing up the files you might remove. This prevents accidental loss. First, open your Steam library, right-click Team Fortress 2, choose Properties, then Local Files and browse. Once the game folder is visible, navigate to tf/cfg and tf/custom. These folders contain autoexec, cfg config, cfg and mods. Make a timestamped copy to your desktop or external drive, because you will delete and replace files. After backup, close Steam to ensure no files are locked and proceed to removal steps. Now you remove the custom configurations themselves to return the game to defaults. You will delete autoexec, cfg config, cfg and any cfgu or mods added. If unsure, move them to that backup folder instead of permanent deletion. Also clear tf/custom subfolders that contain add-ons or keybind overrides and remove workshop subscriptions inside Steam so downloaded files are gone. Once done, start Steam again, but do not launch Tf2 yet. Make sure file permissions are normal and that no third-party tools are still running. Finish by restoring or regenerating default configs so the game runs clean. First, in Steam, verify integrity of game files. This replaces missing official files. Then launch Team Fortress 2 once. The engine will create a fresh config. CFG with default settings. Make key tests. Verify movement, weapons, and bindings. If something breaks, close Tf2, restore your backup files to undo changes, and re-verify integrity. One troubleshooting tip. If binds persist, check for server-side or workshop scripts and unsubscribe, then repeat the verify step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.